Hello everyone, greetings from Joel.com. Today we'll be taking a look at these Cartier rimless sunglasses, model CT0046S in color code 001. The color of the frame is silver. And these glasses are a rimless, rectangular shape. The lenses are silver. On its top right lens, you'll find the Cartier emblem engraved in the lens. And the bridge is silver. The temples are genuine horn. And you'll find the iconic Cartier Décor in silver on its temple. This is the inside of the frame, and this is what you see when wearing the frame. These lenses are also UV protected. Inside its nose pads, you'll find the Cartier emblem in silver. And this is the other temple. On its inner right temple is the model number, the color code, the dimensions of its temple, which is 140, the Cartier logo, and that the temples are genuine horn. On its inner left temple is again the temples are genuine horn, that the frame is made in France, the dimension of its temple, which is 140, and the Cartier logo in silver. The glasses also come with a white Cartier box with the Cartier logo in gold on the box, a red and gold Cartier gift box, also with the Cartier logo in gold on the front of the box, a black Cartier case with the Cartier logo in gold on the front of the case, a red Cartier booklet, a black Cartier cleaning cloth, and a manufacturer booklet. This manufacturer is Cartier. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in checking out these frames or any of the frames, head over to the link in the description and check out joylot.com and have a joyful day.